One of the most valuable skills in every aspect of life is problem-solving skills. From the classroom to the boardroom and even relationships, problem-solving skills are the cornerstone of progress. They empower us to dissect issues, uncover solutions, and transform adversity into opportunity. Welcome to Intellectual Thinkers, and in this video we will go over 5 strategies to improve your problem-solving thinking skills. The first step towards improving your problem-solving skills is to practice critical thinking. Critical thinking serves as the bedrock of our ability to effectively tackle complex problems and make informed decisions. It involves more than just accepting information at face value. It's about diving deeper, asking incisive questions, and challenging assumptions. Considering multiple perspectives is an important aspect of mastering critical thinking skills. This allows us to appreciate the diverse array of views that individuals hold based on their experiences, cultures, and backgrounds. Through this practice, we learn to empathize, putting ourselves in others' shoes to understand their beliefs and motivations. This empathetic approach broadens our worldview, enriching our ability to generate creative solutions to problems by considering a multitude of viewpoints. Now that we understand the essence of critical thinking, let's explore the second strategy, gathering information. Gathering relevant information about a problem is like setting the stage for solving a puzzle. Each piece of information you collect is like a puzzle piece, contributing to the complete picture of the issue. Start by reading comprehensively. Dive into books, articles, reports, or credible online sources related to the problem. This initial step is important to building the framework of the puzzle, giving you an overall view of what the problem entails. You should also reach out to a variety of people, asking them questions related to the problem. Their responses are like extra pieces that provide more context and detail, helping you see a clearer picture as you expand your puzzle. Utilizing various information sources means exploring different types of puzzle pieces. The more diverse your sources, the more diverse and complete your puzzle becomes. Our third strategy to improve your problem-solving thinking skills is to generate multiple solutions. When faced with a problem, resist the urge to settle for the first solution that comes to mind. Engage your mind in a brainstorming session, much like consulting a map with several routes highlighted. Encourage creativity to take the lead, allowing yourself to sketch out various potential paths. Just as a map unfolds multiple routes, your mind should unfold a variety of ideas. Explore different approaches as if each approach were a distinct trail. Consider the scenic route, the challenging climb, or the unexpected shortcuts. Similarly, consider solutions that may be unconventional or ones you haven't initially thought of. Sometimes, the true gem of a solution is hidden off the beaten path, away from the obvious and the ordinary. Now that you have made multiple solutions, it's time to head into our fourth strategy, evaluate and analyze options. Once you've brainstormed a range of potential solutions, treat them like distinct tools. Begin by listing the positive aspects or pros of each solution. Just as you'd assess the advantages of a tool, its versatility, durability, or efficiency, examine what benefits each solution offers. How well does it address the problem? What advantages does it bring to the table? Next, dive into the drawbacks or cons of each solution. What are the risks or downsides? Can these drawbacks be mitigated or managed? Explore potential risks and uncertainties linked with each solution. Lastly, evaluate the alignment of each solution with your intended goals and desired outcomes. Does the solution cater to the core objectives of solving the problem? Does it align with your values and long-term vision? The last strategy to improve your problem-solving thinking skills is to take action and learn from feedback. Once you've evaluated and selected a solution, it's time to take a step forward, like setting off on a journey. Implement the chosen solution with determination and focus, considering it as the first leg of your expedition towards solving the problem. Always remember to embrace feedback, whether positive or constructive, as valuable insights, akin to signs and markers along your journey. Positive feedback reinforces that you're heading in the right direction, boosting your confidence and motivation. Constructive feedback, on the other hand, is like course correction advice, guiding you to adjust your approach and stay aligned with your goals. Use these insights to continuously improve, honing your problem-solving skills for future challenges. Reflect on what worked well and what didn't, understanding why certain aspects succeeded or fell short. This reflection is like updating your mental map, enriching your problem-solving toolkit with valuable knowledge and experience.